Hey, what's up, YouTube? Mike here again. Um, I'm just doing a follow-up on the video I did earlier on the inventory. Um, just little things I did differently to the van since the first video. It's a little messy right now, so parts. Got a new bag since the last video. Put those security screens on the back. Tubing. Yeah, that's another thing you want to add. Tubing, quarter inch, 5/16. That was kind of tubing. Oven stuff. Heating elements. I have a couple of things labeled, but kind of I have certain areas I know where everything is. Some bins haven't been filled, but a lot of sensors. Dryer vent hose. A lot of stuff over here is refrigerator side. I don't do compressors, but I do charge them, especially if they, so that's what those are for. Gauges over there. So you guys kind of had a already rundown on what it is, but like pulleys, coils, roller wheels, belts. This is like the dryer kind of section. Washer. These are the agitator couplers, the couplings for Whirlpool, pumps, agitators, pumps down there. Just a lot of common stuff that I might use. I'm not going to get into too much of the tools because everybody has them. I never really do. I always just show a couple. But this is my new bag. It's a backpack bag. You guys might, if you've seen videos of it, you might know what it is already. But I like it. It has my card up there. Yeah. So there's plenty of videos of all the tools you need, but it's kind of like what fits you the best. I want to say this is pretty handy. It's like an arm strap, but it keeps all my screws like magnets, pretty much. Just stuff in there, temp gun. Yeah, it's kind of messy right now. Back to work and gotta up here I have some common stuff, wire strippers. Need this. This is my meter. It's probably what I use every single day, mostly on different types of. And here's my backup bag, my old bag, but I always have a backup meter. You never know when your batteries die and you don't have any batteries with you on a job, and you have a backup. I probably have like 3 of these. So, all right. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Lid switches like these for the Whirlpool, style washers, the old school style. You want to get a couple of those. Like I said, this is the newer style lid lock. So it's kind of like inventory is not. There's not just one set rule. But I will say there are a couple set rules, like on dryers, thermostats, thermal fuses, sensors. Like you need stuff like that. That's what's gonna get you your first call completions. Nothing new in the back. I did put a backup camera in there. GPS, pretty much standard. Nothing too new. That's pretty much it. Battery charger, air compressor. That's my steamer. I don't think I showed it last time compared to what the other ones are, but why not? Why not show it this time? This is an essential tool you will need. I use it a lot. So this is to defrost any drain lines or any fridges that are full of ice that you need to get out. So makes your job a lot easier. So find it online. There's plenty of them. I just got this one. I kind of like the style and design of it. Fits right in there. Those are dishwasher motors, GE, the standard one. I kind of keep that, and that's a GE stackable motor. Couple ice makers. Pretty much, and I don't use the ice makers as much because it's per model, whatever I get to. I got some stuff over there on that side, and like I said, refrigerator stuff, defrost thermostats, water valves. You want to keep different types of defrost thermostats. And what do I have? Yeah, over there I have my water valves and heating elements. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the newer van, so you guys get to see that. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. You can see the kind of stuff I do daily. Thanks.